Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It is a pleasure for me to open the 2021 edition of the Digital European Sky Awards. I will start with a confession. I'm passionate about innovation. I'm intrigued about how innovation can transform our lives. And among the projects represented today, there are a lot of inspiring examples. They are just a sample of the many SESAR projects developing innovative solutions for all aspects of modern ATM, from human performance and the integration of drones into European airspace to greater predictability in virtual centers, safer and optimized airport operation, and the secure sharing of ATM data. I'm also fascinated by your work on the scalability of capacity, reduced fuel consumption, lower CO2 and noise emissions, and much more besides. These projects cover the entire innovation pipeline, from exploratory research to industrial research to very large-scale demonstrations. They involve a variety of stakeholders, experts and researchers from many countries. I also see that over 30% of those involved are women. I hope that this event will serve to attract and encourage more women to get involved in the ATM innovation. As long as our ATM system is still fragmented, we will not be able to organize our airspace in the optimal way or to adapt operations to actual traffic needs in terms of volume, operational constraints, and aircraft type. The European Green Deal and the Sustainable and Smart Mobility Strategy both identify the Single European Sky as key to lowering aviation emissions. Our proposal for reform would stimulate a more flexible and scalable provisions of air navigation services, and it will ensure the sustainable development of the sector. This is a quick win solution while we wait for the technology that can cut emissions. I have made the case for a single European sky to member states, and I hope that they will soon reach an agreement on our proposal. If this agreement comes within the next year, structural changes can come into effect by the end of 2024, when traffic is expected to have recovered to pre-pandemic levels. If we do not act, we will see the capacity crunch of 2018 and 2019 return, together with delays at airports around Europe. We will also continue to have unnecessary emissions. Despite the achievements we are honoring today, there is still more to be done to identify additional solutions and to deploy the ones we already have. SESAR 3 will be up and running by the end of the year. It will focus on developing the key building blocks of the digital European sky. I'm excited about what lies ahead as innovative concepts become operational reality. SESAR has taken European excellence in the ATM sector to the highest levels around the globe. I would like to thank Florian Guillermet and his team for their excellent work. Congratulations to all the participating project teams, and especially the winners of this 2021 Digital Sky Awards. Keep up the good work.